Society look like without the intricate web of criminal justice law? A world where the definition of crimes, the rights of the accused, and the procedures for trials are subject to whim rather than established legal principles. Welcome to the world of criminal justice law, a complex yet essential field that shapes the way societies deal with crime and punishment, protecting both the community and the individual. The journey begins with substantive criminal law, the foundation stone of criminal justice. This area of law defines what constitutes criminal offences, from murder to fraud. It prescribes penalties for these offences and outlines defences available to those accused. Each crime has its own set of elements that the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt, a standard designed to prevent the innocent from being wrongfully convicted. Next, we turn our attention to procedural criminal law. This regulates the process by which criminal cases are handled, from the initial investigation to the final appeal. It covers procedures for arrest, interrogation, bail, pretrial proceedings, trials, sentencing and appeals, all aimed at ensuring that justice is not only done, but also seen to be done. But what about the rights of the accused? This is where constitutional protections step in. These safeguards, enshrined in the Constitution, protect individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures, guarantee the right to due process and a fair trial, prohibit cruel and unusual punishment, and protect against self-incrimination. Then there's evidence law, a field that governs the collection, preservation, presentation, and evaluation of evidence. It dictates what evidence can be presented in court, how it should be collected, and how it can be used to prove or disprove the elements of a crime. However, criminal justice law doesn't forget the victims. Victim rights recognize the entitlements of crime victims to participate in the criminal justice process, receive information and support, and seek restitution or compensation for their losses. It's a reminder that justice should serve not only the accused, but also those harmed by their actions. The journey continues with sentencing and corrections. This area establishes principles and procedures for determining appropriate punishments for convicted offenders and rules governing probation, parole, and incarceration. It seeks to balance the goals of punishment, deterrence, rehabilitation, and public protection. Criminal procedure comes next, outlining the step-by-step process followed in criminal cases. It defines the roles and responsibilities of all the key players: law enforcement, prosecutors, defense attorneys, judges, and juries. Finally, we reach the realm of juvenile justice. This area focuses on the legal rights and procedures applicable to minors accused of delinquent or criminal behavior, with an emphasis on rehabilitation and reintegration into society. In summary, criminal justice law is a complex, multifaceted field that shapes every aspect of how societies respond to crime. From defining offences and protecting rights to regulating procedures and ensuring fair punishment, it strives to balance public safety, individual rights, and societal values while promoting fairness, equity, and accountability. It's a field that truly reflects the maxim, justice must not only be done, but must also be seen to be done.